Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I build a SaaS system in a GoHighLevel for one of my clients. Basically, they have a recruiting company and I have built recruiting SaaS software for using GoHighLevel for my client. I will show you step by step how I did it, how I build onboarding funnels, how I build complete automation, sending emails and SMS, how we collect the payments and how we create the product. And the main thing is that how I use SaaS Configurator. So let me dive in video without wasting time and I will show you step by step. And right now I'm in a 497 plan of GoHighLevel. So you can buy a 30-day free trial of 497 without investing. You can just configure it, test it, and after that you can go here. In description box below I have affiliate link. You can just jump on the link and buy it. I will configure this free of cost for you. So let me dive in video. So first of all, what I did create a package in a SaaS Configurator. Here you can see there is a recruiting company. I have built monthly and annual package, and after that we have standard, we have premium, and we have professional plan as well. So these are a package. These are not all working. We are set just 3 package working. There other are test products. So that's it's a super easy how to create projects and how to create products in your SaaS configurator. Is super easy. Just simply click on the add plan and you can select location where you want to present this. Right now I'm going to use this one, so it's up to you where you can create these products, but must be there is a compulsory thing you must be have before these configurators. You have your Stripe account with your agency level and also the same sub account level where you are going to import this project and you want to start making automations. So I just add these products. I will just going to add it and I will show you how we can set them. Here is the plan detail and a product plan names and description, and after that I will set price, what is your monthly price, annual price, and also here you can set the limit of user as well. I just added unlimited user, so it's up to you. It's my client requirement. And also here is a feature, what features you are going to allow to your customer. So for example, in my case we are going to allow two-way communications opportunities, calendars, emails, or reportings, and CRM and emails and SMS templates. We are going to allow these things to our customer on a basic plan, but in a premium plan we are going to allow these all things. So I just go back and after that I can show you another premium plan, so you will get idea how we are offering them all things in. And here you can see we just 497, and this is a yearly plan and unlimited all things. And here we offer all these feature instead of these certifications and community quiz and go collab and QR code. Without these we are providing all these things. And also I just go back here and just go into the advanced section. In advanced section we will just customize our emails, that we will send customize emails to our customer with the login detail. I just customize this email, and here you can design according to your requirement. I just put agency name here, the customer username and emails, and here we say click login. When he click on the login, he will get a login, change their password, and it will get sub account logins as well. So yeah, that's all things are done. And here are the price we have already added in a USD. You can change into according to your requirements and according to your thoughts, however you want to change. Then agency level all things are set up. So what we can do, we will go to the sub account level. So right now I just simply log into my sub account level. That's the master account we are going to use for this product, or we are going to use whatever sub account you want to going to use. It's up to you, but I'm going to use this one or this one. But the prerequisite thing is that you must have link with your Stripe. So I just let me go with this one. So in this I just go to the site section, and here we can create onboarding funnel. Here is our onboarding funnel that's already created, and I will show you how it's works. Here we have 2-step funnel. One is a main page, onboarding page, and another is a thank you page. And I have just created, here is the complete form for A to P. Once the client submit this form, it will be automatically create sub account and automatically create your logins as well, send to login this customer as well. It's a super It's a super easy procedure. I will show you step by step as well. I just simply go to the site area, and into site area I go to the forms. Here is a form builder. I have designed this form first, onboarding form, and after that what I did, I just go back on a funnel. I just place on the funnel. That's the step 2 to creating onboarding form. And let's I will show you the step 3. Step 3 is most important. Here you can see there is a product option, and I just simply go to the payments, and in payments here you can see these are our products, and these are products imports from agency level. Okay, how we can import from the agency level? And simply just import product, and here you can select the product. I just say again, you must have login same Stripe account on agency level and on sub account level. So I just select the any of this product. For example, I just select this one, put the price if you want to change, and just import the product. So we can import product into our sub account from agency level to sub account, and after that we can use into our funnel. So that's it. Our product is imports, and we can just simply go to the funnel. Here we have our products. On this funnel we have no products. I just simply add product here and select product. For example, this one is product, and we have already price and everything is set up already. I just click on it, and here is a product added on a funnel, onboarding funnels, and also link with our form as well. I will link with the form. When submit a form, it will be automatically redirect to this. And one main thing is that here you can see we have products on a form level. So it's a super easy. You just go to the form setting, form builder, and just click on added form. You can add your own form things as well. I just want to show you some step here. And here you can see simply just add a product. How you can add a product? Simply go to add a widget. That's widget called a sell product, or buy product, or add product. Once you add these product into here, and you can select your products from your agency level to sub account and sub account to this form, and it will be automatically added here, and user can be place and put their all information here. It will be click 1 click 2 click, and it will be automatically buy and automatically sub account created, and after that it will be added into your agency as well. I just go back, I just show you some of test account. Here you can see I just make a test account, Leo test. It's automatically connected with our agency level, and it's connected with our onboard form. I will show you another sub account where we have limited access. Not this one. I think I have another form, another sub account where we have limited access, because these are sub account. These are a live. These are a test one, and we have created before these things. And yes, we can set up it according to our requirement, according to our things that we can use it for to selling it for to our customer. So that's how you can create your SaaS configurator. Using SaaS configurator, you create SaaS software, and I just did with this customizations, all these things with CSS. And if you need all these services, configure your SaaS, your onboarding, your each and everything, if you need into GoHighLevel, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation here, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how you can configure your SaaS and how you can start making money, something like this. So it's a super easy. Either you can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link in description box below, and after that you will get all these things free. Thank you so much for watching this video.